expired. I could taste it.
Jail.
I like when you drink the drink and it's only bubbles that go in your mouth.
It's like
That's a thing that I like that happens to me sometimes.
okay.
It was a joke because I hate it when that happens.
No.
Okay.
Get it? Ha ha ha.
One time I opened a drink and it was not carbonated.
It's really funny.
It was orange juice.
Oh.
Oh. Okay. All right.
Jail. You just do the high on the 2 and the 4, and then you come and kick a little later. It's like dance. Yeah. None of your friends can even stop. Marking the days, spend no job.